If my face wasn't so round, we could really be onto something. Really be onto something. Hello, sweet friends. How are y'all today? I'm not going anywhere, but I haven't put on makeup, like really put on makeup in a long time. And I just feel like doing it today. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna revisit the Amrezy palette today. It's dirty. I wanna use this blue because it's so pretty. So yeah, I've already cleansed my face and moisturized. So now I'm just going to, I've already like sketched out my brows with a brow pencil, but I have this new hair and it's kind of dark. So I'm going to darken my brows a little bit with just a dark brown eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna fill it in with this little brush by adding little hair strokes. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to clean up my brow shape with that. Y'all know how this goes. I think I'm gonna do an updated eyebrow tutorial because the last one that I did, it just wasn't very good. But that was also like right when I had just started trying to do this YouTube thing, and I didn't really know how to operate my equipment yet, and I still don't most of the time. But anyways, I think I'm gonna update it. Our brows are done. I think I'm gonna be using like some glitters maybe today. So I'm going to start with my eyes. So to prime my eyelids, I'm going to use the P. Louise base in white. Now that we have that on, I'm going to use e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm going to just put on a white eyeshadow to kind of set that in place. So I don't know exactly what I'm doing with my eyes, but I feel like I want to do a halo. I think I'm going to start with black. I'm going to zoom y'all in. Zoom me in a little bit. Oh, we need to be lifted, sir. Taking the black shade in the ABH palette, I'm just going to start packing that in the outer and inner corner of my eye, as well as into my crease. I'm not really going to start blending yet. I'm just going to place the color. And I want this to be pretty dramatic today, so I'm going to take it up pretty high, I think. And I'm kind of going ahead and creating like this moon shape so that I can have this middle to do my blue. I'm going to take this bright pink that's in the James Charles palette, and I'm going to put that right on the edge of that black shade, and then we'll start kind of blending it upwards. I'm patting it. I'm just going to kind of go in circular motions to make it blend outward about. And this is most likely going to be a process of me adding and blending this black and pink over and over until it's the intensity that I like. So I'm just going to keep doing that. We'll speed through as to not bore you to tears. Okay. I'm going to take the P. Louise What a Treat My Base Brush Is brush and the white P. Louise base, and carve out where I want my cut crease halo to go. And so this shape really just depends on what your preference and your eye shape is.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back. Say it like to you. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No.
Okay, so again, the whole reason I'm doing this is because I wanted to try out this shade Leo in the Amrezy palette. So I'm going to start just taking a flat brush. I'm going to spray my brush with just a setting spray to help that color stick to the brush. and then to my eyelid. And I'm just literally gonna fill in that white space. Using this purple shade, I'm going to just start going right over basically the end of the blue on both sides of my eye. You know what I'm about to do? I'm about to be annoying and go get a whole nother palette, because there's a Jaclyn Hill palette that has a really pretty purple in it, but I think it's darker than this. So maybe I'll keep this here, and then I'll go into those outside edges between the purple and the black with that color. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so Jaclyn Hill has this collaboration with Morphe, the Bling Boss palette. And in it, she has this pretty purple shade called Gem. I'm going to take that color and place it right between the purple that we just placed and the black. Yeah, we're going to have to clean some of this up, but it's going to be cute. I'm a fan. Personally, I'm a fan. Okay, and then again, I'm going to go in with the black shade and just go back and add in that definition on the outer corners. And I'm just going to try to fade that into the purples and blend it out. We'll do more blending after we get our foundation on and we connect to the bottom, but and then I'm going to take a little bit of a powder brush with the same black on it and just blend this upward, because we need to be able to see a little bit more of that. I'm going to leave it at that right now. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama. It's like a gel liner. And I'm just going to use a flat little angled brush and give myself a little wing. I'm really not good at doing wing liner, but I just look at where the tail end of my eyebrow is and I kind of try to make my point go in that direction. So I'm going to start from the outside of my eye today and just draw a line inward. Okay, anywho, I'm going to clean up a little bit of this right now with a makeup wipe. Which lashes do I want to wear today? I feel like we need big ones, don't you? You think so too, right? I think we can try these iENVY ones. These are huge. Huge! I'm going to use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This one's great compared to what I've been using. And I'm just going to apply this right to my eyelids, like eyeliner, really close to my lash line.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say.
I'm gonna stop for now. There's definitely more I'm gonna do to this, but I'm gonna go do the other eye up to this point and then we'll come back. Both of my eyes are done now. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it, but we can pretend it came out good. I don't think it looks terrible. Definitely not my best work. I just got back from Ulta not that long ago. I got some Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. I used their the Ulta, like, what is it called? Like the matching, I don't know, you like take a picture of yourself and it'll be like, this is what your foundation shade is. So that's what I did. I also have never used this foundation. Is it looking like it matches me on camera? Because usually my lighting makes my foundation look like 14 shades off from what it actually is. We love let's play hide and seek around here. Well, since I can't find it, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution. What is this? This is a concealer and it's in the shade C16.5. It's really not as dark as I'd want a contour to be, but. And then I'm gonna use the Kevyn Aucoin concealer. Comes in this fat little pot. I'm gonna use that to highlight a little. So I'm gonna start by just blending out the darker concealer with the blending sponge. And then I'm gonna blend out my chin, my mouth area. And then under my eyes, I'm gonna use this tapered blending brush. I'm gonna set it in place with the ABH Loose Setting Powder in Banana. So while that's baking, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into my eyes. First thing I'm gonna do is take this Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in the Blackest Black. And I'm just going to lift my eyelid and blend my real lashes with the false lashes. And using that same pink that we used in our crease, I'm just gonna really messily place this underneath my lower lash line and blend it out. Now, I may regret this, but I think I'm going to go ahead and use this neon eyeliner from LA Girl. This is in Color Fresh. I think that's what the color is. I'm going to use this in my waterline. If I don't like it, we'll just put black in there. Okay, now I'm going to go into this Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Leader. And I'm going to bronze up my face. Not my camera trying to die. Not that. Alright, now we're almost done. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and dust away this powder underneath my eyes. I'm going to go in with this Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade Virginity. Then I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. I'm going to use this Black Radiance HD corrector in orange, actually. And then to gloss it up, I'm just going to use this ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Jubilee. So I'm going to be using this Morphe High Impact Highlighter Palette. Use this purple shade Ultraviolet. Use that in my inner corner. Wow, love to see it. So yeah, I'm pretty much done with my makeup. Let me do something to my hair. I did a little swoopy thing in a little bun and re-moisturized these curls a little. I don't know how I'm feeling about this actually. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. I have missed being here, so I'm going to try to be better, be more consistent. I already have a lot of videos recorded, so it's just a matter of me sitting down and taking the time to edit them. So yeah, leave me any comments below with video suggestions because I don't be knowing what to film. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!